Here's a week 1 update on the Polish eggs that I ordered for employees, technically, for the egg stand. So I'm going to put them in my Chick Cozy incubator. This is a 25 egg capacity incubator. It's a plug and play. I'll show you kind of a little bit about it. But those are the egg turners, and it has a silicone mat at the bottom, and it has a place to hold a secondary thermometer. But here is the plug and play option. You can see that you plug it in, and here are the automatic egg turners, the candling light, and then the temperature that you can set. I just plugged this in, so that's why it's saying 70. And then you can also set a different day cycle. I'm also going to put in a few of our heavy speckled eggs because I love a good speckled egg. And I'm just marking these that are mine with a China marker so I can tell who is hatching and what didn't hatch. But here's the little secondary thermometer. It's by Govee. I like it because I can read it on my phone, but I'm going to let this get up to temperature, and then we're going to add our eggs. These eggs will stay in the egg turners until day 18, pointy side down, so we're going to carefully add all of them in. This is a great learning experience for kids too. I'm choosing to do a dry hatch since we live in Georgia. It is very humid here, but if you were not going to choose to do a dry hatch, now would be the time that you would add your water, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a dry hatch. I did a ton of research, and everybody's telling me to do a dry hatch, especially with how humid it is. It's like 30% in our house, but I'm going to go ahead and put this on. It says 22 right there, but it's higher than that. Here is whenever I first put them in, and here is week 1. You can see the little chick in the egg, like her little eye. It's so crazy. And then here is week 2 as well. Y'all let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer. This is such a fun experiment, and I hope that all of them hatch.